Hi, I'm going to show you my 12 days of fitness PE activity. So the first thing you'll want to do is make a copy, go to File, go to Make a Copy, an entire presentation. This is where you can change the name. You'll have your own copy. You could put it in its own file if you have files set up there. You can star it, and you can change out the Bitmojis to make it your own, or change out anything you want. Now, what I did is I put the music here. It will not play for the whole presentation. This is just for your reference so that you have the YouTube song that I based this presentation on. I do not know how to put music into slideshows yet, so this is the way I do it. I play it in one tab and then I do it in present mode on the other. I also am learning how to do PowerPoint because it seems a little bit more user-friendly when you're trying to make videos. You could put it in, practice the presentation and do it as a video and do it that way, or you can make it into a video on PowerPoint. And if you wanted to make a PowerPoint out of this, you go to download and then Microsoft PowerPoint, and then it will come down here and then you'll make your own PowerPoint. So those are your options. Now, I am going to sing this. I am not a singer. My timing's a little off by the time I get to the third day, and then I'll be okay. But I want you to know where my head was at when I made this presentation and the rhythm of the fitness exercises with the song. All right, so let's get started. Stop talking. And also too, don't judge me because I can't sing. Just get the melody and see where my head was at. And if you don't like it, change it. But at least there's something here for you to work with if you want to do something like this. All right, I'm done now. Okay. All right, let me go. So I have this tab. It's open with the song. I'm going to start the song and then I'm going to go to the presentation and put it in present mode. On the first day of fitness, I did this for PE, a holly hover. On the second day of fitness, I did this for PE, tap to eat and a holly hover. On the third day of fitness, I did this for PE, mistletoe climbers, tap to eat and a holly hover. On the fourth day of fitness, I did this for PE, prancer push-ups, mistletoe climbers, tap to eat, and a holly hover. On the fifth day of fitness, I did this for PE, splits and burpees, prancer push-ups, mistletoe climbers, tap to eat, and a holly hover. On the sixth day of fitness, I did this for PE, jolly jack squats, splits and burpees, prancer push-ups, mistletoe climbers, tap to eat, and a holly hover. On the seventh day of fitness, I did this for PE, inch to the tree, jolly jack squats, splits and burpees, prancer push-ups, mistletoe climbers, tap to eat, and a holly hover. On the eighth day of fitness, I did this for PE, North Pole high knees, inch to the tree, jolly jack squats, splits and burpees, prancer push-ups, mistletoe climbers, tap to eat, and a holly hover. On the ninth day of fitness, I did this for PE, squat to my presence, North Pole high knees, inch to the tree, jolly jack squats, splits and burpees, Prancer, push-ups, mistletoe, climbers tap to eat, and a holly hover. On the 10th day of fitness, I did this for PE. Hanukkah side hops, squat to my presence, Norpal high knees, inch to the tree, Jolly Jack squats, blitz and burpees. Prancer push-ups, mistletoe, climbers tap to eat, and a holly hover. On the 11th day of fitness, I did this for PE. Run to see Rudolph, Hanukkah side hops, squat to my presence, North Pole high knees, inch to the tree, Jolly Jack squats, blitz and burpees. Prancer push-ups, mistletoe, climbers tap to eat, and a holly hover. On the 12th day of fitness, I did this for PE. Ski to see Santa, run to see Rudolph, Hanukkah side hops, squat to my presence, North Pole high knees, inch to the tree, Jolly Jack squats, blitz and burpees. Prancer push-ups, mistletoe, climbers tap to eat, and a holly hover. Okay, that's it. So no judging, okay, because I know the singing was terrible. You're probably like, let this song be over with. Anyways, change your Bitmojis, change whatever you want, have fun, and happy holidays, everybody. Stay safe.